Good morning, folks. This is Vicky Sajnani here. Welcome to Quantsap. Let's start the morning brief. Nifty shut shop minus 19 points, 17,387.85. Nifty Bank 37,771, minus 260 points down, 0.68% down. So clearly, there was some nuance of the VIX, India VIX, which intermittently during intraday crossed the scaled about the 20 mark. So that's a nuance to keep in mind. This morning, Nifty is positive territory, SGX Nifty, that is 71 points gain. That's what we are observing. Nifty is, as per the charts, show 17,200 as the major support zone. Resistance at around 18,000 mark, intermittent resistance at around 17,500. The major support zone 17,200, 17,000, and then 16,800. So that's what is evident from the charts. Let's move on to the built up. So futures OI is showing a mild short after a series of longs and long unwinding and short covering. We are seeing a short, so one would have to wait and watch with the RBI policy on the anvil, how this behaves close to the 17,500 mark, and if it's able to surpass that or not. So that's a litmus test as of now. Clearly, as I pointed out, India VIX is scaled about the close to 20 mark intraday. We'll see what the India VIX is in a moment from now. But before that, the Nifty open interest OI is something which you want to see. As per the options data, 17,000 is the major support zone. 17,500 and 18,000 are two major levels on the higher side. This is the India VIX chart. And clearly, yesterday it was closed at 19.26. As you can see from the tabular sheet, which is on the right-hand side. So this is risen from all the way from 16 levels, and we have seen a good rally. So one would have to wait and watch, and some sense of caution again on the India VIX. If it gallops above the 20 mark and with momentum, that is, then there could be a pause in the rally, but then nothing to worry about as of now. Banknifty, clearly, you are seeing 38,000 as the level to keep a watch on the higher side, and 38,500. On the support zone, 37,500 and 37,000 are the major supports. As far as futures OI built up is concerned, you have seen some amount of long unwinding yesterday. So one would have to wait and watch. Of course, RBI policies on the anvil also. But then looking at the scenario, looks like if 38 gets crossed, you could see good momentum on this index. So 38,500, even the OI picture is showing that. And on the support zone, 37,500 and 37,000. The top gainers and losers, Zydus, Lupin, and IPCA are the gainers. Primarily from pharma end of the spectrum. Gujarat Gas, Balrampur Chini, and Idea Telecom. So those are the losers for the day. Looking at the index contribution, again, you are seeing a negative shade from private banks, minus 26, oil minus 28. The positive gainers were IT 34.4 points contribution, Pharma 13.43 points contribution. Again, from the sectoral built up, what we're seeing is auto, capital goods, FMCG on the long side, auto ancillary, cement and infra on the short side. As per the result calendar, this is the result calendar for today. Titan, Petronet, ABFRL, M&M are expected to show their results, with Alchem and NMDC also the other ones. We have a stock which is the pick is Lupin, which on the crossing of 665 670 could show a momentum till about 700, 720 levels. And further higher beyond that, of course, the psychological level of 700, 710 would play out. And on the support side, a major support as per the charts is 600. So let's see how this pans out. Looking at the OI picture, you are seeing longs coming in. So let's wait and watch how the longs evolve during the day. As far as the OI picture is concerned, 680, 700 are the two major levels on the higher side, and 640 and 600 are the two major levels on the lower side. The other stock on the radar is TVS Motors. So that's a stock which you could look at. Quoting at closed at 932.95, 950, 1000 are the major levels on the higher side, and 900 happens to be the major support zone for this counter. As far as the OI picture is concerned, you have seen some amount of longs. It's been a while since a short has emanated in this stock. So looks like a decent long unwinding cycle out there. So 950,000 as per the OI picture, and major level on the lower side is 900. That's what is emanating from this open interest chart. On the band list, we have Escorts as the counter, which is on the band list as of now. And summarizing, 17,200 major levels on the lower side, 17,500, 18,000 on the higher side for Nifty. Banknifty, 37,500, two major levels on the lower side, 38,000, 38,500 are the resistance points. Sectoral long built up, auto, capital goods, FMCG. Short built up is auto ancillary, cement, infra. Two stocks which we spoke about on the long side, Lupin and TVS Motors. Band list, Escorts. And we would like to remind you that please consult your financial advisor before moving ahead. And also, please follow strict stop losses as per your risk appetite. That's pretty much from our side. Wish you happy trading. Have a good day.